Guys, I'm sure you guys all MDRT, you know better than me. Now, if your prospecting bank account is going down, that is heading to disaster. If you realize that you must have a prospecting bank account. Get it right. The same way you have your bank accounts, the same way you go to your ATM and click your number and get your money out. Imagine you got your company launch a new product, or there's something new in the market for you to go and sell, and here it is, you do not know who to sell because you don't have enough names. So at any one time, and do as I do, every week before the end of the week, check how much do you have in your prospecting bank account. Look, if you cannot do a sale, you can at least add some names to your bank. Am I right? Yeah, at least you can do that. You can do that. Every Friday, just before you go back, check and see what's my prospecting bank account balance. If you think it's going down, then it's time to put in some new money inside, new names inside. If you think it's stagnant, it's also not good. Every week, your prospecting bank account should grow. So do that. Only then you'll have stories to say, yes, sir.
What do you write on the top of your page there?
Here, who do we tell our stories to? Who do we... Ask your question because they're recording it.
Would you...
You want to know
what's that? I can't read your writing.
Sorry. Who do we tell our stories to? All right, because we need to tell our stories to people. Now, when talking about this prospecting bank account, how do I do it? In my case, I'm in doctor's market. I do a lot of doctors. In fact, my entire career in this industry is all on doctors, the professionals. Now, I even coach these doctors for to get referrals. What I tell these doctors is because every year some new young professionals join the industry. I mean, at least as far as my country is concerned, Malaysia, we have new doctors. So I will get the senior doctors to introduce me to the new doctors. And of course, the doctors, they saw everything is also medical. They won't know even what to say. Initially, they was like, hi, you know, my financial advisor, my insurance advisor is Mohan. He's a nice guy. I mean, I've given your name to him, and it doesn't work well. So I coach my advisor. I call it. I coach the person who is referring me, the referral. I ask him. I write a script for him to say what I want him to say. So what do I want him to say? I will say, Doc, can you please call 3 of your friends now? Now, these are my clients who are good buddies of mine. So I'll say, can you call them now? And this is what you say. Now, this is Dr. Mohan. He's going to call Dr. John. He goes like, hey, John, they are doctors, right? They go, John, hey, this is Mohan here. How are you? How's the family? Hey, you know what? I want you to meet my financial advisor, Mohan from ABC company. Now, you'll be glad you did. Even if you have your financial advisor, I want you to give him a chance to speak so that I want you to hear him out, and you'll be glad that you did. And I asked them to do it there and then. They're the buddies of yours. They are your prospects. So what they will do is, they will call for you. And it makes my job easier because each time the guy calls, pass my name to the referral, I know he has done that. Either half an hour later, or an hour later, or half day later, or maybe a day later, I will call John and say, John, this is Mohan from ABC company. Does my name ring a bell?